How to fix deposit not working on Prizepicks. So here on the official website, we can see all of the available cards that are being accepted. So Visa credit or debit cards, Discover credit or debit, MasterCard, instant bank transfers, PayPal and Apple Pay. Now, why was your deposit rejected? So here we can see if your deposit was not accepted, you will receive a notification providing an explanation for the failed deposit attempt. Some of the common reasons for a rejected deposit are, so here's how we can fix it. You made a mistake when inputting your card or account information. So you want to double and triple check that you have input all of your information correctly. You are located in an ineligible state. So if you are in a state where it's not allowed to use Prizepicks, you will not be able to deposit money. The deposit method you try to use is not currently accepted. So for example, if you're trying to use Chime, American Express, or prepaid gift cards, or another reason might be because you have met your limit for how many times you can deposit in a specific time frame, and you have to wait 24 hours before attempting another deposit. The name on your deposit method does not match the name of your account. So if you have different names on the deposit method in your account, it won't be accepted. The payment method is already associated with another account. So if somebody uses the same payment method, again, you will not be able to deposit money. Or you are trying to deposit too much or too little to Prizepicks. So those are basically the reasons why your deposit might be rejected. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.